video is only for the people on my previous video who said please or thank you. If you said, show us your wish list, or post it, or share it, or tell us what it is, this video is not for you. You get nothing. Scroll to the next video. In 2008, I assembled this, a recession investing wish list, which over the last 6 years, after enough people told me to laminate it, I finally did. I get asked all the time, hey, what's on your 2025 wish list in the event that we have a recession? And the honest answer is, I don't know. I don't have a recession investing wish list anymore. I've acquired all of the investments I want, and I will continue adding to them. But my goal now isn't to find new stocks or anything like that. My goal is to just accumulate more of what I already have. I also don't like sharing lists because, let's be honest, if I say this isn't financial advice, 90% of the people will run out and buy everything on the list, thus learning nothing, which defeats the whole purpose of my channel. However, I also understand that some people learn best by watching and seeing what other people have done or would do with their money. So, this is my 2025 recession investing wish list. Wow, look at that. Now, the point of this list is to show you how someone who's been investing for over 20 years, that's me, would assemble a wish list of stocks that I believe are strong enough to survive or withstand a recession, or get really beaten down, not because of something company specific, but again, a recession, or finally, some speculative investments that are higher risk, and maybe they come back and maybe they don't, but as we all know, speculative makes up the smallest part of your portfolio, not the largest. Writing down a recession investing wish list, by the way, doesn't mean that you don't continue to invest. If you're doing the S&P 500 and a tech ETF and a dividend ETF, you continue with that for the next 30 years. But recession investing can make millionaires. So here we have the list. You can see here that I posted it on April 4th. Today is April 24th, so I'm a little late, but that's okay. Number one on the list is Cava. This is a restaurant that I personally eat at all the time. People always ask me, how do you find companies? And usually they're companies that I know and use. And even if Cava is impacted by higher food costs and a recession, I think they'll be fine long term, but that's just my opinion. I do believe that companies like Cava and Chipotle and even Starbucks would be impacted by a recession, but I think they can weather those storms. McDonald's, even though everyone complains that a McChicken isn't $1 anymore, even at $3, it is still pretty much affordable. Amazon, Netflix, and Spotify, I believe, are recession-proof to an extent, although Amazon will be impacted by the tariffs. Prime, Netflix, and Spotify for streaming is great. If there's a recession and you're not going out, you're staying home. And whether you pay for the premium service or you get the ad-supported, the company is making money, whether it's through ads or from premium subscribers. Apple, Nvidia, and Microsoft are the three largest companies in the world. They're kind of like the no-brainer tech portfolio. Most investors probably have one or all three in their portfolio. And if they drop really significantly, to me, it's a buying opportunity. Significantly to me is around 25% or higher. Every investor is different. Up next is Elf, Chewy, and Procter & Gamble. Elf is skincare, which even though people might cut back, they might be also looking for more affordable skincare options, although Elf, on the flip side, could be impacted by the trade war that is on again, off again. Chewy, people have pets and they're going to feed their pets. And Procter & Gamble, it's one of those like recession-proof stocks that insulates your portfolio. Finally, down here at the bottom, no matter what is going on in the world, you're going to need your garbage picked up, so I put waste management, and as another speculative investment, Rivian. And you might decide to put other things on this list, like Meta or Costco or whatever you choose. This is just one example, but the follow-up question is, okay, but how do I research these companies? And I'm going to show you right now. All you have to do is go right here, click on the menu, which is right here, and you are looking for this template. The template is totally free, and there are videos here that walk you through how to use it. If you click here, it is fillable, so you can fill it in, and this is what the template looks like. I have two categories here, so you can compare two similar stocks side by side. Who knows? Maybe 20 years from now, you'll be posting a video on whatever is the trending social media platform of the time, saying all the way back in 2025, I started investing because Kenneth Suna on TikTok suggested I make a wish list. Hit the follow.